Hello, I'm Andrew Rideout. I'm a consultant in public health in Dumfries. As we've moved into a lower level of lockdown and started to enjoy our new freedoms, we have unfortunately seen more cases of COVID infection in the area. This isn't to be surprised. It's been across Scotland for the last few weeks, and we're a little bit behind the rest of the country. Unfortunately, the cases that we've seen are associated with the new, more transmissible Delta variant. It passes from one person to another more easily than the infections we've seen over the last year. For that reason, we're encouraging people to take up testing. We've particularly seen a small number of cases in the Upper Nithsdale area, and we've put in additional testing in the Kellerholm and Sanker areas for the coming weeks. If you've been identified as the close contact of someone who has an infection, if you have symptoms yourself, then it's important that you self-isolate and arrange a test at one of the test locations or order a postal test kit. Even if you don't have symptoms, we're offering you the opportunity to get tested. Many people will have an infection, will pass on the infection without showing symptoms. At the moment, the infection is mainly passing through people who haven't been vaccinated, younger adults and children. But it can still pass through the older population, particularly if they haven't had their full vaccination course. So if you've had one vaccine, or if you've had no vaccines yet, take up the offer of vaccination as soon as you're offered it. Remember, you need to continue to keep to the guidance that we've offered throughout the last year. Keeping your distance, covering your face when you're mixing with other people, washing your hands, avoiding large crowds. Follow the facts guidance. And take up the offer of testing. That's the best way to identify whether you're carrying the infection, even if you don't have symptoms. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name's Claire Story and I'm the head teacher of Kellerholm Primary School. As you will know, we have seen a small increase in the positive cases in our community. Whilst we have measures in place to keep school pupils and staff safe, we really do need your help to break any further chains of transmission out with our school. We would urge you to self-isolate if you're asked to do so and make use of the increased testing within the area this week, whether you have symptoms or not. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Councillor Jim Dempster, Chair of the Nithsdale Area Committee. As a result of the recent rise in cases in Upper Nithsdale, increased testing will be available in the wider community this week, and we would urge all members of the public to take up the testing and help to ensure we keep each other safe. We've all worked extremely hard, but we know that COVID has not gone away. With the new variant being ever increasingly transmissible, we need to ensure that we utilise all the mitigation measures we have put in place to stop the spread of the virus. So please self-isolate if you have symptoms or you're asked to do so by Test and Protect. Book a test or visit the mobile testing unit in your area. Testing locations and times can be found at nhsdg.co.uk/testing. If you need support to self-isolate, go to our Support DG website for practical help, including in some cases financial assistance. Thank you very much.